Welcome to FoodLens AI. Tracking your daily nutrition shouldn't mean spending 10 minutes searching databases and typing in ingredients. With FoodLens AI, snapping a single photo is all it takes to analyze your meal. The best part? An app like this can be built and deployed in AppSheet in under 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the main view. The app interface is designed to be completely effortless. There are no complicated forms to fill out, just a simple screen with a photo button. The user snaps a picture, and our back-end AI bot handles all the heavy lifting. To test its accuracy, we're uploading 3 completely different foods. First, a fresh appetizer salad topped with a hard-boiled egg, mixed greens, avocado, and sliced tomatoes. Second, a complex local dish, a classic plate of nasi lemak. And third, a quick single piece of fruit, a fresh orange. Once the photos are uploaded, let's wait a brief moment for the data sync to complete, while our AI task processes the images in the background. And there it is. Now that the sync is complete, let's check the extracted data. Without typing a single number, FoodLens AI has generated a full nutritional breakdown for every meal. Estimated calories, protein, carbs, total fat, sugar, dietary fiber, sodium, and saturated fat, all automatically extracted from a simple picture. That's FoodLens AI, smart, instant meal logging powered by AppSheet AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. In our next video, we'll do a complete step-by-step tutorial showing you how to set up the AppSheet AI bot from scratch so you can build your own version. See you next time.